California. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Peach House Oasis. I am Lola, and oh my gosh, today is the day that we are getting our washer and dryer hooked up. Thank goodness, because the clothes are piling up. Alrighty, here is our laundry room. It is a complete mess, but it is so nice. It's a nice size. I have plenty of shelves and plenty of space to do what I need to do in here, which is the laundry. So I'm going to clean this out and get it all ready. We have an electric dryer. So our good friend Cliff is going to install a new plug so that we can plug in our dryer. And we're so excited. So I'm going to clean out all the paint buckets and I got to get my husband's tools out of here. There is a spot for his tools. So we're going to get it together in here. I'm going to eventually paint and we have floors to put down. So this is just part one of getting our laundry room together. So stay tuned. And this is all going to be DIY. So we're super excited. So I just wanted to take this time out to thank God for blessing my husband and I with Peach House Oasis. We are just overly overwhelmed by the blessings, but in a good way. And we're just so happy to share this. Our goal is to just document this journey, this moment of our lives, and to share it with you all. So thank you as well. If you are new here, thank you and welcome. If you are subscribed, thank you. We appreciate all of you all. And just stay tuned. We have some great projects coming up. Cliff did an amazing job on the piping for our new electric box to plug in our electric dryer. We're also going to have the home repainted so we can paint over this piping as well. And you will never even know that it's there. But stay tuned. We got the two cottages in the back we're going to start working on as well. And this is just the beginning stages of our laundry room. We had to get the electric box put in, and next would be the floors. Well, first cleaning out this mess, cleaning out all of this miscellaneous things, and then we can go ahead and do the floors. I want to lift the washer and dryer from the ground, so we're going to build a lift for that. And also the cabinets, I don't know. I think I'm going to paint it or stain it. I'm not quite certain yet. I do have some ideas on my Pinterest board, and this is going to be the color scheme. I mean, to match our washer and dryer. It's like a chocolate brown and bronze, really. That's kind of like the color. So I'm gonna go with that. I'm probably gonna add some cream and some gold as well. Those are my colors. So yes, just stay tuned for more DIYs. And yeah, we look forward to reveal, the big reveal of the laundry. So yeah, stay tuned. I got so much stuff going on, you guys. I got a whole list of things. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Ciao.